Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. Today, we're supercharging your Android audio experience with a brand new version of the DTS sound mod ported straight from the Infinix Zero Ultra. This Magisk module is a game changer for mobile audio enthusiasts, bringing a significant boost in sound quality to your device. This latest iteration of the DTS sound mod boasts some serious upgrades. Now it supports Android 15. Alright, let's dive into the installation process. It's straightforward, but it's crucial to follow each step carefully. First, you'll need to grab the module. The download link is conveniently located in the description below this video. Go ahead and click on that now and download the zip file. In Magisk, navigate to the Modules section. You'll see a list of your currently installed modules. Now, tap on Install from Storage. This will open your device's file manager. Navigate to the location where you downloaded the DTS sound mod zip file and select it. Now, this next step is essential, especially if you're currently using any other audio modification modules. To avoid potential conflicts and ensure optimal performance, you'll also need to install the AML Magisk module. This acts as a compatibility layer and helps everything play nicely together. With both modules successfully installed, we're almost there. The final step is to reboot your device. After your phone restarts, you should have the new DTS sound mod up and running. That's it. You've now successfully installed the new and improved version of the DTS sound mod. Get ready to immerse yourself in a whole new world of audio fidelity on your Android device. Don't forget to give this video a thumbs up if you found it helpful, and subscribe to the channel for more exciting Android modding tutorials, tips, and tricks. Thanks for watching, and I'll catch you in the next one.